Annyeong mga kamukbang buddies! Welcome back to another episode of Mukbang Tabay!
Uy, guess unsa nga delicacy ato i-try today?
With the Annyeong, I feel like it's Korean.
You are right mga kamukbang. Today we are here in Barangay So, a famous Korean restaurant nga budget friendly. Imagine 150 rani.
What are we waiting for?
Let's now taste and experience every texture and meaning behind every meal.
Let's go try this Korean food. So we got here samjang sauce, garlic soy chicken, coleslaw, lettuce, tteokbokki, seaweed soup, and lastly rice.
Mine is tteokbokki, spicy cucumber, kimchi, Korean fried chicken, seaweed, and rice.
Lastly, I got pork bulgogi with a side of lettuce and kimchi, with steamed egg, and samjang with kimchi soup and rice.
The dishes here represent Korean culture. Bulgogi is marinated grilled beef, kimchi is spicy fermented cabbage, kimchi soup is tangy and hearty, and steamed egg is soft and fluffy, showing Korea's rich, flavorful cuisine.
Hi mga kabady, so karon man ang migkaon. Busog na kay me. But my favorite part just is the Korean food itself.
Yes, sakto, no? We realized that Korean food isn't about just taste. It's about balance, tradition, and togetherness.
Yes, and it really does reflect the Korean culture, and it also respect for balance.
Exactly. And we realize that this history represents a country's heart.